Hi, welcome. It's me, Dr. Khaled Sadek, and you're watching my fantastic YouTube channel on cysts and lipoma removal. Today's introduction comes on board a boat going up the River Nile in Aswan, this beautiful backdrop in this glorious sunny weather. Remember, if you've seen anything on my website where you think you may need similar treatment, then please don't hesitate to contact me at lipomacyst.com. Remember, if you haven't subscribed already, please do, because without your subscription, you won't know when we're going to be releasing videos, and make sure to press the alert button so you get updates when we produce live chat discussions. Remember to like, comment and share, because we like to hear feedback, but most of all, enjoy the video. Till next time, bye bye.
Do you think it's full of fluid?
I think it's full of
whatever.
Yeah, full of content like
Whatever.
keratin and sebum and dead skin and debris. So anesthetic's going in, and the great thing about anesthetic is it's got a bit of adrenaline.
Yeah.
So it numbs the skin as well as.
I can't feel it.
Yeah. It'll just close off all the blood vessels that are going to cause us any issues when we open there, and then straight away on the skin, you can see. It's just going to blanch over. And it's been here for what, 2 years?
The little one's in there for longer, you know, it's been about 5 years. It got to the size of a pea, you know, where I could just feel it when shaving, but it's got this size since the dentist prodded it.
Yeah.
Well, and I prodded it too.
Okay.
And everybody else.
Everyone's prodded it.
Yeah.
Everyone in the Isle of Wight's given it.
Yeah, everyone's
good
given it
little squeeze. It's like a good luck charm.
Well, they say, what's that?
What's that? Okay. And then they go straight for the
Yeah,
face.
totally.
Okay. So there's a lot of pus has just come out of there. So let's just clean this up. So immediately it's decided to discharge its contents.
Yeah.
Missing all of us, fortunately. Some of it's liquid, but I think the majority of it's going to be quite firm and gloopy.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll try and get this out. I'm just going to open that up and just get that content out. Gosh. And actually what we've done there is just squeezed the whole epidermoid out as well.
Is it?
Sac and all.
Is that, yeah?
Yeah. So that's how we do it at lipomacyst.com. Just get the whole thing out all in one go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's advantageous, is it? That's an advantage, is it?
Well, it is for you because it speeds up the whole process.
Does it? Oh.
Yeah.
I can't feel a thing.
Well, that's brilliant. Well, like I said, that's how we do it at lipomacyst.com. Make sure it's all out. Make sure there's no debris in there. Give it a bit of a clean. Let's just clean that out. There we go. So we do get a lot of these facial cysts. I had one this morning on a young lady on her lip.
Yeah.
And we removed that as well. And you've done really, really well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can't believe it, can you?
You helped me in this and made it too easy for me.
Well, you made it too easy. Right? You've got to stretch this bill out a bit. You know? You better get
I was hoping to get more on the reel. You know? We're going to have to close up and go home now.
Yeah, God.
Okay.
Yeah, this is got to be. This is how quick we can do it.
I've really got to stretch out the stitching part now for at least 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it can be no fun for anyone. Okay, so I'm going to use a really fine thread and just go subcuticular.
You normally have to cut the outside out, do you?
Normally we have to kind of chase the sac out.
Yeah, which is attached to
the inside fascia of the face.
Yeah.
But in your case, it just kind of all popped out.
Well, that's good
news.
Just
helped us.
Yeah. You can go home now.
Yeah. Are you going to spend the rest of the day in London, or?
No, we're on the, yeah, a little bit of time. On the, 4 o'clock ferry, I think.
Oh, 4 o'clock, yeah. What was the weather like when you left this morning?
Foggy.
Foggy, yeah.
That's what delays the boats.
Mm. When is Cows, the big festival?
Yeah, it's August.
Do you get involved?
Not really.
You're not a sailor?
I'm not a yachty person.
It's the only way to leave the island, surely.
Leave it with all the... Well, it used to be very famous when royalty were there, but not so much now.
Yeah. You got the boat show. The Ocean Village has changed massively.
Oh, it has, hasn't it?
God, it's looking fancy.
Yeah.
It looks like Monaco.
That's right, yeah. And all round, it's all round there were the old barracks, wasn't it? The Dolphin, was it? The naval.
Oh, really?
That's now flats.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, downtown Southampton's changed a lot. For the better.
Yeah.
I mean, the port is still very big and prosperous.
Oh, yeah. Is he still filming? Oh, yeah. He's still filming?
Yeah.
This is how quickly we can do it.
Yeah, this is how quickly
you've got to do it, haven't you? You've got to say, this is what we can do.
And you have to plug the website name, lipomicis.com.
Yeah.
You got to put that in there. So it's fair to say, a satisfied customer.
Yeah, I'm very satisfied.
Very satisfied customer. So we'll just clean that up.
All right.
And now you'll just have what looks like a very small shaving scar.
Oh,
but no cherry. No.
Oh, all right, that's okay.
I'll just put dressing on there.
All right.
And we're all done.
Wow. And by later today, it'll be healed up.
Yeah, exactly.
You want me to video the healing process? And 4 hours later, the stitches are coming out. That's a must, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Right, so we are all done.